of the National Assembly. My name is Asuquo, Senator representing Cross River South. Um, Last week I happened on the most unfortunate piece of news. A young lady, could have been any one of our younger sisters, named Miss Greatness Olurunfemi, was attacked and pushed out of a moving vehicle, as the reports have it. A good Samaritan that was passing by saw her, picked her and took her to Maitama District Hospital. And when on their arrival there, they were denied entry, denied treatment, and denied care. Most unfortunately, Miss Greatness Olurunfemi bled to death and passed away right on the premises of the hospital. Since last week, I've known no peace about this most tragic event. On Tuesday, we brought it up on the floor of the National Assembly, on the floor of the Senate, as a matter of urgent public importance, and it was scheduled for presentation today, Thursday. We have called the attention of everyone that there is a law, an act of this Parliament, the Compulsory Treatment of Victims of Gunshots and Other Emergencies 2017, which was passed into law, but most unfortunately has not been complied with over the years. My understanding is that Ms. Greatness Olurunfemi was denied medical care while at the premises of the hospital because the hospital was demanding for police report or clearance before treating her. This is a bane on our society and it has to stop. So today we presented a motion where the facts of this case were presented on the floor of the hallowed chamber of the Nigerian Senate, with a resolution to first observe a minute's silence for the tragic loss of the life of Ms. Greatness Olurunfemi, as well as other victims of such situations. Secondly, we summoned the Inspector General of Police, the Minister for Health, and under an amendment to the second prayer, we also requested for the FCDA, who, from our understanding, own the Maitama District Hospital, to appear before the Joint Committee on Health and Police Affairs to brief the committee, and for the committee to undertake an investigation, a detailed investigation, to ensure that those who are guilty of the loss of life of Ms. Greatness Olurunfemi are brought to book, and that such a tragic occurrence does not happen ever again. We mandated the Committees on Health and Police Affairs and Legislative Compliance to ensure compliance with this law. I have made my own decision that following this unfortunate event, that I'll be sponsoring an amendment to the bill to ask for stiffer penalties. Currently, the penalties to the 2017 Act calls for a fine of 50,000 naira. What is 50,000 naira compared to a human life? I will personally push for the amendment of this bill for stiffer penalties to ensure that there is no reoccurrence of such a tragic event. Finally, as a final prayer, the Senate also resolved that the Inspector General of Police and the Ministry of Health do adequate and detailed sensitization of the security formations as well as the hospitals to ensure that they understand and comply with the Act as passed in 2017. Thank you very much. I'll take your questions, if any.
Question, please. Yes, my name is